Hey y'all, it's just me, Robin, and today I am participating in a fun challenge called Don't Frown on Brown, and it's part of the color series being hosted by Marilyn of Fabulous Designs on a Budget, or It's a Cozy Lifestyle, and her co-host Stephanie of Creatively MsMe with Stephanie and Tammy of Glam Queen of DIY. I will leave a link for all of their channels in the description box below along with the playlist. Please go by and check it out for lots of brown inspiration. Now I've already created a few tablescapes for the fall season using brown, so why not create one more? I used a creamy white as the secondary color for this tablescape. The centerpiece is basically the same, except for I used the cream and gold colored pumpkins and the cream and brown turkey. Again, I purchased nothing for this tablescape. Everything is in my stash. And I've been having a lot of fun just going through my stash over the last several months. The only thing that is new are the brown and gold ombre candles, which I picked up at Home Goods. I used the same napkin rings as the tablescapes before. They were copper colored turkeys, and I painted them with gold gilding. The flatware is actually a new thrift find from earlier in the year. It was a service for $12 and it was $14. I have to look at it and see what the maker name on it is. The brown leaf placemats are some of the most gorgeous things I've ever seen. The pictures don't really do it justice. You have to see it in person. The salad plate is part of a set of dishes that I got from Home Goods last year, and they're gold embossed on the underside. I used some Dollar Tree velvet pumpkins. The pedestal that the turkey is sitting on was also a thrift find from a couple of years ago. It actually says Merry Christmas on the top of it in gold. Every year for Thanksgiving, one of my in-laws hosts dinner. My husband has 7 brothers and sisters, so we spread it around so that no one family has to travel for long distances for every dinner. So I'm really gonna miss that this year because we're gonna stay at home and celebrate Thanksgiving here, but we have so much to be thankful for. We are thankful for our health. We're thankful for having each other here, and I want to wish everybody a happy Thanksgiving. Also, make the best of it, you guys. We only have one life to live, and we need to celebrate it like it is that one life. What are you guys gonna do for Thanksgiving? Are you traveling? Are you staying at home? Are Are you cooking big dinners? I usually do cook a really big dinner, and I guess that's what I'm doing again. I cook like I'm cooking for an army. We're gonna have turkey and collard greens and macaroni and cheese and candied yams and deviled eggs and maybe a ham, I'm not sure yet, and some desserts. I make a mean cheesecake. So I got a little surprise for you guys. I did a second tablescape. Well, actually, it's the same tablescape. I just changed up the centerpiece, make it a little more formal. I added a gold vase with some brown metal flowers in it and some feathers, and then I added 2 brown candles on some gold Dollar Tree pedestals. And I also changed up the glassware, which was also a thrift store find. So just changing up a few things changes the total look of the tablescape. And then I gave you a candlelit view as well. So I hope you guys enjoyed this and got some inspiration for using brown. Brown can be a boring color if you allow it, but I think mine turned out pretty fun. Thank you, Marilyn, Stephanie, and Tammy for hosting this. Again, you guys go by and check out their channels. And if you haven't already joined my channel, what are you waiting on? Please like, share, comment, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you can be alerted to when I upload new videos. And again, thank you for stopping by. You guys take care, be blessed, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.